Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video on how to change a Gameboy Color speaker. This one has a broken speaker and I need to fix it before I do some more modifications to it. So let's get into it. Okay, so after I disassemble the Game Boy and the motherboard is out of the shell, I heated up my soldering iron and used it to heat up the solder pads for the speaker. I continued to heat up the pads until the wires for the speaker were free from the motherboard. Once the wires were out, I used my solder sucker to clean up the pads enough so that I could see the holes in the board, making it a lot easier to install the new speaker wires. Now that the solder pads are ready, I grabbed the new speaker which I salvaged from a DS Lite, and I flipped over the board to make the wires enter from the back. I first slipped the black wire through and bent it over so that it wouldn't fall back through the board once I flipped the board back over to apply the solder. After that, I applied some solder to finish installing the cable. I then followed the same procedure for the red cable. Because there are so many Game Boy speakers available, you may end up getting a speaker that has two cables the same color. If this is the case, you just have to pay close attention to how the original speaker was installed and do your best to get it as close to that as possible. However, if you do get it the wrong way around, you can always desolder them and swap the cables. It's not going to affect the speaker in any way, so it shouldn't be a problem. Once I had both wires soldered in, I trimmed off the excess wire and then added a little more solder to the pads. Once that was done, the new speaker was installed. Alright, so I've gone and closed up the case now, and we now have a working Game Boy Color speaker. Sweet. Alright, that is it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you learned something. It'd be awesome if you could give this a like and subscribe if you like the content. I look forward to seeing you guys in future videos. Thanks for watching. Bye!